If your Canon iX6820 has suddenly stopped printing, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 simple things you can try to get working again. So, let's go through these fixes one by one and get your Canon iX6820 printing again. And if you still need personal one-on-one assistance, just call the numbers on your screen, otherwise follow the steps.
Before we start the step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date.
Method 1. Set your printer as default. Go ahead and click on the Start menu on your computer to access Windows settings. Type Printers and Scanners in the search bar and open it up to see your printer list. Scroll down to find part that says Let Windows manage my default printer. Uncheck that box. Scroll back up, look through the list of printers to find your Canon iX6820. Click on the Canon printer and select Manage to access printer options. Click on Set as Default button to make this your primary printer for all print jobs. If your printer is still not printing after setting it as default, the driver might be outdated and causing problems. Let's update it. Method 2. Update printer driver via Device Manager. Click on the Start menu again on your Windows computer. Type Device Manager in the search box and open it up. In the Device Manager window, find and expand section that says Print Queues. Look through the list and you'll see your Canon iX6820 printer listed there. Right-click on it and choose Update Driver from the menu options. In the Update Driver window, select Search automatically for drivers and let Windows find and install the latest version. If you've tried these 2 fixes and your printer still refuses to print, old jobs in your queue might be blocking everything. Let's clear that out. Method 3. Delete all pending print jobs. Look at the bottom right corner of the screen for a printer icon in the system tray area. Note, if you don't see it, click the little arrow to reveal hidden icons. Click on Printer icon to open the windows showing your pending print jobs. Look at the list of print jobs and right-click on the first one in the queue. Select Cancel from the menu option that appears to remove that job. Repeat steps 3 through 5 to each remaining print jobs until your entire queue is clear and empty. Your Canon iX6820 print queue is now completely cleared and should be ready to print again.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.